Problem 11. There are 39 students in total and 20 students have a dog. 26 students have a cat. So we use 20 plus 26 and subtract 39. We will get the number of students that have both a dog and a cat. And that equals 7. The answer is A. Problem 12. The ball drops from a height of 3 meters, and on each of the bounce, it rises to a height of 2/3 of the original height of the previous height it bounces to. So let's assume when it bounces not rise to a height of 0.5 meters, it's the nth bounce. We can get that 3 multiply 2/3 to the power of n is smaller than 1/2 meters. Therefore, we get 2/3n is smaller than 1/6. When n equals 1, we know that 2 to the 3 is larger than 1/6. And when n equals 2, we get 4/9, which is also larger than 1/6. When n equals 3, we get 8/27, which is larger than 1/6. And when n equals 4, 2 to the 3 to the power of 4 is 16/81. And that's still larger than 1/6. When n equals 5, we get it's 32/243, and that is smaller than 1/6. Therefore, the ball bounces 5 times when it does not rise to a height of 0.5 meters. The answer is C. Problem 13. Because the boxes are weighed in pairs in every possible way, and the results are 122, 125, and 127 pounds. So if we add them up, the sum should be 2 times the combined weight of the 3 boxes. So we use the sum to divide 2. And that gives us 374 divided 2 equals 187. And that's the total weight of the 3 boxes. The answer is C. Problem 14. 3 A's, 3 B's, and 3 C's are placed in the 9 spaces so that each row and column contain one of each letter. Therefore, let's first look at the column. A is fixed, and the other two cells in the column, in the first column, we can put B either in the second or in the third cell. That's 2 choices for B. Similarly, in the first row, because A is fixed, we also have 2 choices to put B, either in the second space in the first row or in the third space. So that's 2 multiply 2 equals 4 choices. Once B is in a fixed position in the first row and in the first column, then C is also fixed. In this example, we have B in both the second position in the first column and first row. So C will have to be in the third position in the row and column. And once that they are fixed, then we can see that the other 4 cells, the choices are also fixed because B is in the first row in the second column and C is in the third row of the first column. So A has to be in here, and C has to be in the center, and also A has to be in the third column of the second row, and B has to be in the last cell. Therefore, once the first row and first column and the first row are decided, the other 4 cells have only fixed choices. So the total number of choice will be 2 multiplied 2 equals 4. The answer is C. Problem 15. Let's first calculate the sum of the first 8 games. That's 7 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 3 plus 1 plus 5. That equals 37. And let's assume on the 9th game, she get X points, and on the 10th game, she get Y points, and they are both smaller than 10. So 37 plus X is divided by 9 is an integer. We know that X is smaller than 10, so the only choice for X is 8. And then 37 plus X plus Y is also divisible by 10. And that means 45 plus Y is divisible by 10, and from that we can get Y is 5. Therefore, X multiplied Y will be 40. The answer is B.